Hey guys, this is my project for Huddle Holiday Hackathon submission. I named it Callify. It is a decentralized wallet-to-wallet video calling platform made using Huddle 1 and Push protocol. I use Push protocol for sending notifications to the other wallet addresses. A user can accept the call request from that notification, and both the users will be joined in the same room. So I'll just show you how it works. So these are the basic features: blockchain privacy and fast connection. I connected my wallet from here, and I can request the call from here. Any incoming calls will be shown here. So I just connect my second wallet and copy its address and will request the call from here. Enter call message, call. I requested a call. I have just to sign this gasless message, and at the same time I will be joined in a room waiting for the other user to join. As I came here and wait for the notification to arrive, and I can join from here. So you can see both users have joined. So this is my solution, and I can end this call from here. This call has been ended for both users. So thank you.